Hi friends, welcome back to the StoneburnerBooks YouTube channel. Today I want to show you my shop update items for April. I have fully restocked my floppy disk notebooks or diskette notebooks because these are technically diskettes, not floppy disks. But I wanted to give you all a closer look at these. These are made from actual diskettes from the 90s. These I purchase old dead stock. They're still in their shrink wrap, and I turn them into hardcover notebooks. It's a really fun way to reuse something that most people generally don't have a use for anymore, and they make great little teeny notebooks. The Coptic binding allows for them to open flat and makes them really easy to write in or draw in. And I love using these Memorex ones that come in a bunch of different colors. So my blue ones in particular have been out of stock for quite a while. So those are restocked. I have yellow, orange, green, and red, and they all have the same design. Each one has a slightly different thread color on the side, but they're all basically the same. The overall size is about 3¼ inches by 3½ inches because that's the original size of these discs. Each book also comes with the original sticker labels. So if you wanted to write a little note on there and then label your disc or your book, you can do that. So I always include some of these labels as well. It's just kind of a fun little addition. So this is my restock for April, and you can find these on my Etsy shop, StoneburnerBooks on Etsy, and I hope that you'll take a look at them. If you have any questions about these discs, like I said, they've never been used, so they don't have anybody's data on them or anything like that. I thought it was a great way to upcycle these and just kind of turn it into something fun and unique. So there you go. There's a nice little look at them. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.